Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday, with our discussion of the price performance on the gold, we said that might be some downward action. But at the same time, since we have the retracement on the dollar index, we said will not be too hurry up with the lowest standing targets and be focused on the nearest ones and just moving step by step with the targets. And as you can see, on result mostly was in a row with our thoughts, is that market on the way down on this consolidation was able to reach only on the lower border of this consolidation. So it hasn't been broken. And you can see upward action started and it now looks, well, rather strong. So it's very good intraday upward bounce. It's upward action. But currently, it is a concern about this rally, what it is. So either it is the challenge and the attempt to break of this top and upper continuation, or the bearish game is not over yet. So since today Friday and week is coming to an end, we think that currently it would be better to not take any long position by far. The reason for that is very simple. So if you'll take a look at the weekly chart that we every time discussing in our weekly report, you could see that this week market hits the MACD predictor line. And by today close, if market will close below it, which is very probable, we will get the bearish grabber. That suggests downward continuation. That could suggest that weekly retracement is over. As market is going lower and it's taken out of this loss. That's the most tricky moment currently in a situation. So, and by our opinion is that it would be better to wait a few hours till the end of the week, see what will happen, and then to make decision on the next week for trading. With the setup that we have here on daily, on the intraday charts. Besides the weekly grabber that we could get, could work as an indicator for example, if the next week market will jump up, taken out of this top here and taken out of this top on the daily chart, erased grabber, that will be big points in favor of the bullish upward continuation. So we could get upward action, upward continuation on the daily and lower time frame correspondingly. But if grabber starts to work, that will mean that retracement is over and we should be ready for a further drop. So currently, guys, to be honest, based on the fundamental background that we have, it seems that the second scenario has more chance to happen. But we will see. Let's do not make any judgment and just follow the market and follow the factors that we have. And that's the major points that I would like to specify in today's video. By taking a look at the interest rates, so you could see that, yes, currently market shows the pullback, but the same action was yesterday in the morning as well. So if you remember here, yesterday was also first minor black candle, but take a look what has happened by the end of the trading session. Here is also with the upward action, we have the acceleration, and this candle here is a bullish reversal bar. So market created the new lows and closed above the top of the previous candle, which put the foundation for the acceleration. Since market already is broken through the all resistance area, this is a question of time when it reached the 175 and previous top actually. So I wouldn't count too much on this minor action and treat that this is maybe something really big. It's reversal, because by the overall action here that we see on interest rates, it's definitely bullish, and well, it's anyway will press on the gold market as well. That being said, our conclusion is to not hurry up with the taking the long position by far and watch for a closing of the week. Watch whether we will get the grabber on the weekly chart or not. For taking the short position, currently, guys, as you can see, overall action stands rather strong, and here we do not have any significant background. So yesterday at least we have the catalyst equal to sell, and market has shown at least the 30% retracement, which is also could be treated as trade as completed. Minimum target has been completed. But right now, on the hourly chart, I do not see any bearish signs by far. Currently, we also do not have any reasons for taking the short position. So in this session, it would be better to wait and see what will happen.